Good morning, you guys. What's going on? It's Kayla and welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a what I eat in a day. I know you guys love these and I love making them, so that's what we're gonna do. I am just starting my morning right now with a big glass of lemon water. I've been really trying to get back into lemon water because it always makes me feel so good. And it is currently 90 degrees. It is only 9 o'clock in the morning and it's supposed to get up to like 95 or 96 today. So we have the air conditioning blasting and I feel like I really need to make sure I hydrate. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not really hungry yet because I was kind of up late eating chips and salsa last night, to be honest, while I was watching a documentary on Netflix. So I feel like I need to just, you know, drink a little and do a little detoxing real quick. And then I will eat some breakfast. I guess that's all I have to say right now. I really just wanted to do a little intro. Do you want to say hi, Rumi? Say hi. She's like watching Fluffy play in the other room. So yeah, I'm just gonna drink my lemon water and I will catch up with you guys when I eat breakfast. Alright, so it probably looks like I haven't even moved, but it's been a few hours actually. And I finished my lemon water. It took a while because I'm not used to drinking lemon water at all. But I finished that and now I'm making my breakfast. I'm making this combo that you guys are definitely gonna see a lot in the next few months. Probably it's my favorite. It's like my current obsession. Honestly, I love it so much. I made it in my last video, well, one of my last videos, but it is this like yogurt bar parfait type of situation. So I cut up a ton of strawberries from here and then I put in some of this Food for Life Ezekiel 4-9 Golden Flax granola, some of the unsweetened vanilla so delicious coconut milk yogurt, and then just a little bit of maple syrup. I'm really bummed because I don't really like our Wegmans that we live across from now. We were kind of blessed with the one that we lived across from when we were in Johnson City because it was really nice. They had a lot of stuff. But they don't have the Kite Hill, the big versions of the unsweetened Kite Hill yogurt, which is my freaking favorite thing in the world. And they have the vanilla one, but I don't really care for the added sugar, so I'd rather get an unsweetened coconut milk one. But having an almond milk one, it's just got the protein and it's just got like more nutritional value that I look for from almonds than I do from coconut. So this one, it still tastes really good and you do get a lot more for the price, but I just really like the Kite Hill one and they don't have it here. They don't really have a lot of the stuff that Caleb and I like, so I think we're gonna kind of explore the different Wegmanses, especially because Wegmans is like a Rochester thing. Like it was created in Rochester, so there's a million of them here. Anyway, I'm on a tangent again. I'm just gonna put together my little parfait here. Oh, my fingers smell like strawberries. All right, so first, a bunch of granola for all those healthy whole grains. So this yogurt is brand new. This is the second one I've had to buy since moving in, and I just opened it and I don't know if you can see it, but it just exploded all over me. Rude. Alright, so I guess if I'm gonna do this with one hand, I'm just gonna pour it. And we'll go with that much yogurt. I love to just add a dash of maple syrup. I know the strawberries are sweet, but the yogurt and the granola aren't that sweet. The granola is actually a tad bit, I don't know, bitter, I guess, because there's no sweetener, it's literally just grains. So the maple syrup just adds a really nice little touch. Alright, there is the finished product. I know this probably looks gross to some of you, but it looks so good to me. I'm so excited to eat this. So I'm just gonna chow down and finish watching this documentary that I'm watching on Netflix, and I will catch up with you guys for lunch. Oh my god! I'm spilling myself again. So I'm back in the kitchen, so once again, it probably looks like I haven't moved, but I have. It has been quite some time. It is 2:30 right now, and I'm gonna make some lunch. So right now, I'm just making some tempeh. So I just kind of cut it into these like sandwich, like there were supposed to be 2 sandwich slices, but it didn't come out that even, so I have those. And they're marinating in some maple syrup, some liquid smoke, and some coconut aminos. This is the best combination for making tempeh. I love it so much. And then I've got some rice cakes over here, the Lundberg ones, you guys already know. Some avocado, I'm pretty sure this one's bad, and this one was not good. I had to cut off a bunch of parts, but I'm gonna spread those on here along with some black pepper, garlic powder, pink Himalayan salt, nutritional yeast, and then I'm gonna put the tempeh on top of that, and we're gonna have some like rice cake tempeh sandwich thingies, and it sounds really good. I'm really excited. Oh, and the tempeh that I used is, I think this is Soy Boy, and it's the 5-grain one. Of course I cut off the label, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's always easier to show this in steps because if you saw my last video, my tripod always falls. So I just did all the good avocado that I could get off of that. Now I'm gonna put all the spices on. All right, there's all the spices that I showed you there, and now I'm gonna add the tempeh. Normally, well, not normally, always I add some Frank's Red Hot, but because this is kind of just coconut aminos and maple syrup and stuff, I don't know if it would taste good to add the Frank's Red Hot, so I think I'm gonna try it without it, and if I think it needs a little spice or something, then I'll add it. Fun fact about me, I don't like tempeh. Like, if I can taste the fact that it's tempeh, it's so gross to me and I want to like throw up when I eat it. But if it's like this and it's completely covered in some sort of dressing or sauce or something and I don't even know, some reason, that's really good to me and I love it. So my camera's flashing at me that it's about to die, but this is my lunch. It looks so good. I'm so excited to eat it. Let's give it a taste. It smells really good. Oh my god. This is the greatest thing I've ever done, and I think I've said that to you guys before, but I'm being serious. Holy crap, this is so good. You have to make this, like, right now. Go do it now. I just finished eating those in about 0.2 seconds. They were so good. I've made all of those things before, but I've just never put them together, and it was just mind-blowing. This is my empty paper towel that they were on. So, my camera just died, which was probably its way of telling me that you guys don't care about how good I think my food was. You just care that I ate it. So, that's what I ate for lunch, and now I'm gonna go sit back on my couch because I don't have anything else to do today. And then I'm gonna make dinner eventually. So I guess that's what you're all here for. So the next clip will be me making dinner. Why do my cats always sleep in the weirdest locations? I just came in here to pee and she's just curled up in the bathtub taking a little nap. Oh my gosh, Fluffy, you're so cute. Alright, so it's dinner time and I just made myself, as you saw, some granola. So it's just super simple oats and dates and a little bit of maple syrup blended together in our Vitamix, and then I topped it with some fresh strawberries, blueberries, and almond milk. So I'm just gonna dig into this. Obviously, Caleb's home from work because he helped me film that and he's making something different. But I'm really hungry and I'm really excited to eat this because we haven't made granola in a while. Every time I've made it recently, it turns out really, really thick. Like when I first started to make it, it's kind of crumbly and now it's like massive chunks. I think I'm adding too many dates, but I'm trying to add extra oats and just kept getting chunkier. I mean, it's still good, it's just a different texture. I don't really know exact measurements, so you kind of have to play around with the oats and the dates until you get the texture that you would like. It's super easy. So I'm gonna dig into this so you guys don't have to listen to or watch me chew, and I will catch up with you in a bit. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. I forgot to film an outro again, so as I'm sitting here editing, I realized that I needed to just say this is the end. Granola is so filling. I don't know if you've probably noticed by now, but whenever I eat dinner, I always look at my dinner, I'm like, wow, I'm gonna be so hungry after this. Like, I'm really gonna need to eat something else. And then I always eat it and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so full. Why do I always overestimate my ability to eat like 10,000 pounds of food. So yeah, that granola filled me up and I didn't eat anything else yesterday, so that was everything I ate today. or yesterday. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Be sure to try that tempeh rice cake combo because that was so bomb. It was so good. I'm eating it again today. It was just so good. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.